In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 3 controller to Samsung tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use a PlayStation 3 controller on any Samsung tablet that you have. This will also work for any other manufacturer's tablet that you might have instead of Samsung. So to start, you will be able to choose from one of two methods. For the first one, you will be able to do it through a wired connection. For this, you need a special adapter, an OTG cable or OTG adapter. So, assuming that your tablet has a USB-C charging port, you will need to purchase a USB-C to USB-A OTG cable. Alternatively, you will need to purchase a micro USB to USB OTG cable instead. Just purchase the one that matches your charging port and plug one end of the OTG cable into the tablet. And for the other end, plug the PlayStation 3 controller's charging cable in there. Once this is done, the controller should be detected natively, so as long as you are using a reliable OTG cable, you will be able to use the PlayStation 3 controller inside of any game, emulator, and so on that supports the inputs. Some tablets might require you to enable OTG mode in the settings, so enable it if needed. But as long as it was properly and securely plugged in with the proper adapter, you will be able to use it right away. Alternatively, if you want a wireless connection, you have to do it over Bluetooth, and you will need to download a third-party application, for example, 6-Axis Controller. You can only set up a PlayStation 3 controller to an application like this. So open that app, and by enabling Bluetooth connectivity on your tablet, you will be able to follow the on-screen instructions. To pair up the PlayStation 3 controller, you need to press and hold the PlayStation button alongside the Select button for a few seconds, and you will be able to choose the PlayStation 3 controller under the list of available devices. Once the connection is established through the 6-Axis or any other application that you are using, you will be able to play any games, open emulators, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 3 controller to Samsung tablet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.